Hey guys, so I wanted to go over the samples of the month and I'm gonna do the Bare It All and the Imbish Eyes. So I usually like to use the same samples that you got just because I want to kind of go along the same lines of what you guys get, but I ran out of the samples, so I actually have my own tube of Impish Eyes, and this is the older bottle. They redid the tube of it, so the tube should be like a gray color, which is like this, and it's going to be the same as your sample pack. That's what it's going to look like. So we'll do this in a second, but because I have makeup on and I'm lazy tonight anyway, I figured I would go ahead and use the wipe. So these are 3-in-1 micellar tonic wipes. So it's a makeup remover, it's a cleanser, and it's a moisturizer all in one. So these are really good for on the go, or if you're just having like a lazy, I don't feel like doing my full face routine night, or morning, whatever. So these are super awesome. They're pretty big. And these are my go-to. I love using these at night. It's just, I've had a long day. I'm ready to get done with my facial, my cleansing, and I'm ready to go to bed. And that's pretty much where I'm at right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and use them. And I've seen you guys already post some of your reviews and how like one wipe is all you need. And it's alcohol free. So it's good for your eyes. They're not going to burn. And already it's super, super awesome. I also have our Arvile lip stains on, and so it takes that off as well. Off. Okay, and there we go. And some of my mascara is still on. There we go. So one wipe really does take off all of the makeup. I don't feel dried out. I still feel that cool feeling. And like I said, I'm not dry. It's still like pretty nice feeling. So like everybody else has already said, it doesn't dry your skin out, which is really nice because it's that 3-in-1. So it's gonna cleanse and moisturize. And even if you don't use makeup, it's still a really good wipe just for the end of the day, or if you're on the go or anything like that. It's really not gonna dry your skin out. It's meant to be moisturizing as well. So this is the Impish Eyes, and it comes in a tube that looks like this. And it just has like a little twist off cap, and I don't have the new one, so I don't know if the new one is exactly the same, but it does have like a little metallic roller ball on it, which kind of adds to the cooling sensation. So this has cucumber, caffeine, cucumber, peptides, and white tea, and the CoQ10, which is really good for the aging and depuffiness. So that's really going to target your circles down here. So this is something that I would use in the morning. It's not one of those that I use at night. I usually put on Prize on the eyes. But this is really going to help with depuffing, bags, all of that, like right under here. So it's super clear. It's kind of like a whitish clear tint to it. So you literally just roll it on, and it's cooling. It feels so nice. And then I just like to rub, it's really thin, so you don't need a whole lot, but then I just like to rub it in right there. And that's it. So like I said, this really does target, it's a depuffing eye serum, so it's going to target the bags. The caffeine is going to help tighten your skin. So I don't really normally have a problem with too many bags. You can see like right there a little bit. And I can see that it's already kind of working. But I don't generally wake up with too bad of bag bags right there. So those are my reviews for sample of the month. I use both of them. The Baredoll wipes I use all the time. And the Impish Eyes, it's something that I use only in the morning, and just kind of a few times a week when I feel like I need it. So there we go. Oh, and don't forget to write your reviews. A lot of you already have, but don't forget to write them by the end of the month so that you can get an entry into the full-size product of one of the ones that you're testing. Okay,